Hello guys, welcome to RBA Solutions training series. Today, I will be highlighting 5 points you need to note when planning for your CCTV installation. Before we begin, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and if you enjoy the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Without wasting any more time, come along and let's begin. Five things to note when planning a CCTV installation. 1. Why? Why do you need CCTV at your premises? Is it to monitor staff, family, activities, or it is to deter crime or provide an active security solution? 2. Where? Which locations do you need CCTV cameras installed? You must identify the most effective locations to install the cameras based on your need. 3. Type. You need to know the type of cameras you need. Is it a dome or bullet camera, indoor or outdoor, wired or wireless, audio or without audio, fixed or movable, etc. 4. Features you desire. CCTV cameras have a lot of features. You should have an idea of which ones are important to you. Some of these features include night vision, people counting, line crossing detection, two-way audio, motion detection, and facial recognition, etc. 5. Budget. Your budget is one of the most crucial points to consider. How much are you willing to spend on setting up your CCTV? The cost of CCTV camera installation will vary depending on a whole set of factors like the type of cameras you choose, the number of cameras you need, and the features you want, and even the size of your premise, etc. However, all these depend on your budget. In summary, when planning your CCTV installation, the 5 points you must consider are: 1. Why you need CCTV. 2. Where you need CCTV. 3. What type of CCTV cameras you need. 4. What features of the CCTV system you need. 5. Your budget. How much you intend to spend to achieve this. I hope it was informative for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.